Hey guys, I'm here today showing you guys what to expect when ordering injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic. Here we have some OEM injectors that were cleaned, serviced. They had about 250,000 miles on it, give or take. And here we have some 2150cc injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic. So here we'll be opening up and finding what's inside and what's to expect when getting your injectors, your OEM injectors, or any kind of aftermarket injectors cleaned by Fuel Injector Clinic. So here we have all the injectors, and we have our data sheet. Obviously shows the injector flow rate. Here you can see all the injectors were consistent. They all pass, and the spray pattern was good. This is a great piece of quality data that you can get that is really helpful for any application, whether it's OEM or aftermarket, race, drag. It's really helpful information to have all this. Here we have all the injectors, all 6 of them, bagged up with OEM grommets. Now here we have our 21cc FIC Fuel Injector Clinic injectors. We're gonna crack this box open with a razor. And here we have our brand new set of 2150cc injectors. Now, our original set that we sent to Fuel Injector Clinic were cleaned, sent back to us, but unfortunately they were lost in shipping, so they were kind enough to replace our injectors with these 2150cc's, identical to what we had. We had our injectors for about 3 seasons. They had no issues, but as a precautionary measure for racing and running ethanol, we like to get our injectors serviced once a year with them. Great customer service, outstanding people. I'm glad to have them as partners. Yeah, this is actually my first time opening this box, so just seeing what's to be expected. And voila, actually, here's our data sheet for these injectors. These are actually these injectors, so this isn't just a generic thing that they produce. These are, oh, it comes with a nice FIC injector sticker. I like this a lot. But again, here it's going to show all 6 injectors, your flow, and oh, okay, offset match to see actually what the differential was. And then it shows here. So overall, you get this full data sheet for all your brand new injectors. This is a single sheet, and you have all your brand new injectors right here with brand new O-rings. These are, again, brand new injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic. I've had great customer service from them for years. They're always resourceful. If you don't know what size top hats you need, say you're doing a custom build, you send them pictures, email them pictures, and they can come up with what size top hats you need, which is really helpful and useful because these injectors, these are for a race car, 2JZ, NAT setup, custom rail, custom manifold, intake manifold. We had to figure out the top hat sizes. Working with them, we figured it out right away. These ones are OEM SC300 or GS300 injectors. When they service them, they put new O-rings on, which is common practice for Fuel Injector Clinic. And voila, there you have it. We have all of our injectors, school car, race car, data sheets. I highly recommend Fuel Injector Clinic, and check them out.